Choose glazing performance for your climate by matching thermal needs to budget rather than buying the highest specification available. Start by identifying your local heating degree days and cooling degree days to estimate whether heat loss or heat gain dominates, so you can prioritize U value or solar heat gain coefficient. For most climates, a double-pane window with low emissivity coating and argon fill offers the best cost-to-performance ratio because it reduces radiant transfer and convection without the steep premium of additional panes. In very cold zones, consider triple-pane glazing only when your analysis shows significant heating savings over the life of the home that exceed the higher initial cost. Run a simple payback using expected fuel prices and expected window lifespan. Choose frames with low U value ratings, since frame performance can offset whole window gains even when the glazing is efficient. Wood and insulated vinyl frames typically outperform aluminum unless a thermal break is specified. For marginal performance gains, argon gas between panes provides most of the benefit at lower cost, while krypton offers smaller incremental improvement but at much higher price, and usually only makes sense in very narrow cavities or very cold climates. Seal quality and installation matter as much as rated performance, so specify proper flashing, continuous air barrier connections, and experienced installation practices to avoid thermal bypass and moisture issues. Common mistakes include choosing triple-pane glazing in moderate climates because it feels like a safer long-term choice, which leads to an unnecessary cost premium. Solve this by doing a climate-based analysis and choosing double-pane low emissivity with argon if heating degree days are moderate. Another frequent issue is ignoring frame U value and focusing only on glass numbers, which produces a window that underperforms its expected energy savings. Remedy this by specifying whole window U value targets and selecting frames with demonstrated low conductive loss. A third problem is undervaluing installation quality, which causes thermal bridging and air leakage even with high-rated products. Prevent this by requiring proper flashing details, installer references, and a clear acceptance checklist for airtightness and moisture control. We run bighomeprojects.com to help homeowners compare options and find contractors who can discuss glazing performance and installation specifics with them. We host a discussion community where homeowners and contractors exchange real-world experiences and practical advice, and we help contractors find local projects that match their skills.